Italian grandma is cooking the hearty comfort, a tale of risotto with chicken giblets. This risotto, often called risotto alla Milanese II, starts with a profound foundation, the broth. A true broth for this dish is made from the parts others discard: the neck, the tips of the wings, and the giblets, heart and gizzard of a chicken destined for the oven. These parts are simmered gently with aromatic vegetables to yield about 1.5 liters of concentrated savory liquid, kept piping hot in a separate pot. The head start, the rice, a sturdy grain like arborio or carnaroli, is first given a head start. About 320 cars, 1.5 cups, of the rice is plunged into salted boiling water and allowed to cook until it is about half done, a process known as parboiling. This ensures the grains are tender quickly. The heat is then raised to allow the water to be almost completely absorbed by the rice, leaving the grains plump but not yet creamy. The soffritto and the giblets, while the rice is managing its brief boil, the flavor base, or soffritto, is prepared. In a wide, heavy-bottomed saucepan, a knob of fat or olive oil, about 30 grain, is melted over medium heat. A single medium onion, finely chopped, is added to the fat and slowly fried until it is soft, translucent, and sweet, about 5 minutes. Next, the flavor intensifiers are added. 1. Mushrooms, a welcome addition to this soffritto. A handful of fresh, earthy button mushrooms, chopped small, are added to the onion and sautéed until their moisture has evaporated and they are lightly browned. 2. The giblets, the reserved chicken giblets, gizzard and heart, having been cooked in the broth, are now finely minced and added to the onion and mushroom mixture. They are stirred and briefly fried to integrate their rich, meaty flavor into the fat base. The marriage to the rice. The partially cooked rice is now added directly to the soffritto and stirred to coat every grain in the flavorful fat and giblet mixture. Now the true risotto ritual begins. A ladle of the hot giblet broth is poured over the rice. From this moment, the cook stirs frequently and gently as the liquid is absorbed and reduced, making the rice nearly dry again. Another ladle of the hot broth is added. This step-by-step addition of liquid is repeated for about 12 to 15 minutes until the rice is perfectly tender, but retains a slight resistance to the bite, al dente. By the time the rice is fully cooked, the broth should have been almost entirely used up, leaving the risotto in a thick, moist state. The mantecatura finale. The heat is turned off. The final, crucial step, the mantecatura, is performed immediately to ensure a luxurious, creamy finish. Into the pot, we quickly stir. 1. A generous handful of freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, about 21 cup. 2. A single beaten egg, added right at the moment the pot is taken from the fire. The mixture is vigorously stirred until the cheese melts and the egg cooks slightly, binding the starch and liquid into a unified rich cream. The heat from the rice is sufficient to cook the egg without scrambling it, providing unmatched richness. The risotto with chicken giblets is then served instantly and piping hot, a deeply flavored, savory masterpiece of Italian economy and comfort. The ultimate taste of Italian home cooking. Tried it yet?